Well, workers at Iowa's Herbert Hoover Presidential Library are racing to catch up now that the partial government shutdown is over. And that includes taking down Christmas decorations. Mary Green has that story.
No. At the Herbert Hoover Presidential Museum and Library, Christmas time is just now ending.
That exhibit officially closed January 2nd. But because we were closed, we couldn't take it down.
The trees are just one item on a to-do list 35 days long. The museum director is back in his office. Maintenance is making repairs.
Most of the rest involves scanning.
And archivists are sorting through records. The timing of the shutdown means the museum missed out on a typical busy time during holiday travel.
A lot of our visitors see the signs on I-80. It's kind of a impromptu stop.
It also means more than a dozen employees missed 2 paychecks.
There are young staff with families, and if some are single parents, they live paycheck by paycheck.
The shutdown also left national park workers with 35 days worth of ice and snow to get rid of.
Most of the work is clearing roads, clearing trails, clearing sidewalks.
They don't know when it'll all get done.
Until we get some warmer weather, it's going to take a while to get some of that to where it's really safe to walk on.
Another shutdown could be coming in just a few weeks. Back at the museum, they don't even know if it's worth it to put up a new exhibit once all these trees are down.
Again, we may be in darkness.
Well, the library and museum could actually shut down again later this week because of some winter weather coming their way.
I've got to admit, I've seen the signs for that museum, but I've never pulled off to look at it. It looks interesting.
I love that they still have Christmas decorations up.
That's true.